Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly and today we are testing out TikTok recipes. I spend like hours, I can spend hours on TikTok. It's a problem. It's like a black hole. You just get sucked in. So I'm super excited for this video. We're going to test out 3 different recipes. One is a peanut butter chocolate chip recipe. One is a lava cake mug recipe. And the third one is an edible cookie dough recipe. So I'm super excited. Before we get into this video, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button down below. Once we hit 100 subscribers, it's going to be a giveaway. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and give me make sure you turn on that notification bell as well so you're notified every time I upload. So with that being said, we're going to hop right into it. The first recipe we're going to do, I kind of prepped a little bit. It is peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to put the video up on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like as well. But I'm just gonna watch it real quick. So we have a cup of brown sugar, you have a cup of peanut butter, you have a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 egg, and chocolate chips, and this is all that it's gonna be. She says they're the best cookies you'll ever make. So we'll see, we'll test it out. So we have brown sugar, baking soda, our peanut butter is gonna go in. Now a cup of peanut butter sounds like a lot, but you know, I've seen these more than once on TikTok too. Like I've seen this recipe by more than one person. This one is just the one that I found for this video. But I've seen this peanut butter recipe on other people's pages as well. So we have that in there. You're gonna add your egg, crack it on the side or on the table, not on your side of your glass. I've said that before. Gonna pop this right into the sink. And then mix it all together. She uses a whisk, but I don't want to use a whisk. Whisks are really annoying to clean, so we're not gonna do that. Like I said, I can spend forever watching TikToks. And now Instagram has Reels, which is also something that I am always looking at as well. So it's a problem. But with these recipes, I definitely had to watch the video a few times to know what was going on. That came together super fast, actually. And then we're gonna add in chocolate chips. I don't remember how many chocolate chips that she said put in, but we're gonna eyeball it. We're just gonna put that much. Probably like a 1/4 of a cup, because they're mini chocolate chips. I really don't know how many she said. Like I said, it'll be up on the video, up on the screen for you guys. I really enjoy watching these videos on YouTube, so I was really excited to make this type of video as well. Okay, so now you're just gonna pop it on your baking sheet and pop it in the oven, I think for like 12 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna separate them into 12. So it literally looks like cookie dough. So I'm kind of impressed already. Hopefully this doesn't run into each other like my last video. If you haven't seen that, I made Magnolia Table chocolate chip cookies, which were incredible. They're probably one of my favorite cookies ever. So go check that out. I'll leave it on the screen down below. Check it out after this video, definitely. And as you guys can see, I have a new apron on today. I mentioned this in my other videos. I love aprons. This one was given to me by my boyfriend. I am a Hufflepuff. Wow, I can't talk. I am a Hufflepuff. If you're a Harry Potter fan, like me, definitely give this video a thumbs up because I love Harry Potter. All things Harry Potter. And I really want to do a Harry Potter video, like recipe video. So if you're interested in that, please also give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to make that for sure. Something I definitely want to do. Okay, that's it. That was so fast. Like, insanely fast. So we're gonna pop these in the oven, 350 for about 12 minutes, and we're gonna move on to the next recipe while those are in. Okay, so the next recipe we're gonna do is the edible cookie dough. This dude talks at like a mile a minute, so I've had to watch this so many times, especially since there is no instruction on the measurements on the screen. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna go way slower than he does. But, so you're gonna need I'm halving the recipe because this is so much desserts and I don't need this many. I put a half a stick of butter, a fourth a cup of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of white sugar. Then he says to put your flour, so I'm doing a half a cup, and put it in the oven, but he doesn't say what the temperature is. So we're gonna watch this real quick.
Today we're making edible cookie dough. Now you can enjoy the delicious taste of cookie dough without having to worry.
He also yells the whole time.
Start adding a stick of butter to a bowl with a half cup of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Give it a good mix. Next, add 1.5 tablespoons of milk.
Okay.
Mix
Easy.
it all together. Next, add a cup of flour to a baking bowl and bake at 350 for 7 minutes. This is
Oh, 350. He does talk.
the flour is killed off. Mix it into the batter and then add a pinch of salt and about a half cup of chocolate chips. Mix it together and you're ready to serve.
Okay.
Easy.
So I have my half cup of flour and we're gonna pop it in the oven. Our timer just went off for the peanut butter cookies, so I'm gonna check on those as well. Those look like they need way more time, so we're gonna do that. Hey Siri, set timer for 7 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
7 minutes and counting.
So we're gonna mix together these these 3 ingredients that I have already in here. And he doesn't say that it has to be room temperature butter. He doesn't say anything about any of that. So I'm guessing it's room temperature butter because you have to cream it or mix it together like this, and hard butter is not gonna work. So pop your butter if it's like a hard stick of butter in the microwave for 15 seconds and it's gonna be perfect. Okay. So now he says 3 tablespoons of milk. So I'm gonna do, did he say 3 tablespoons? See, I'm already lost. And he doesn't have the measurements on the screen. So it makes it so much harder. 1.5 tablespoons. Wow, Kelly, listen. Okay, we're gonna grab milk, 3/4. I don't have 1/4 tablespoon of milk, so we're gonna eyeball it after a half a tablespoon. So we're gonna do half and a half of a half. And then a dash of vanilla. I somehow don't have all of this stuff out like normal. I usually do, but that's okay. So we're gonna go. Boop. That'll work. I don't want to overdo it. Mix that together. And now we wait for the flour. Okay, I just checked on the peanut butter cookies and they're still super doughy. So it's definitely not 8 to 10 minutes. I said 12 before, but the girl said 8 to 10 and I put it in for 8 and 9. I set a timer for 9 minutes. And it's still not done. So I have no idea how long this is gonna be in the oven for because they're super gooey. Guys, I'm doubting this edible cookie dough. I'm doubting it. Maybe the flour will make it taste different, but I just tasted that and that does not taste like cookie dough. Okay, he also doesn't mention if you were supposed to let the flour cool or not. So, I'm not sure how to go about that. Ooh. I feel like I should let it cool. I'm gonna let it cool for 2 minutes and we'll put it in. I don't know. This is the issue with TikTok. I don't know. Then the cookies are still in. It's been forever. It's been 15 minutes and the girl said 8 to 10. And see, we're gonna let those cookies cool but they're super doughy. But maybe when they cool down they'll harden. I don't know. She didn't tell me, so I don't know. All right, we're just adding this flour in. Again, he didn't tell me. We'll see what happens. We're going in. And mix that together. Okay, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. I'm just gonna eyeball once again. It looks like cookie dough. We'll see if it tastes like cookie dough. Let's see, let me grab a spoon. Let's give it a taste. the cookie dough. Like I said, it's very floury. Very floury in your mouth. I don't know about that one, guys. I'll give it like on a scale from 0 to 10. That's what I'll do. I'll rate these on a scale from 0 to 10. So I would say this one would be like a 6.5, just because of that texture. It's so like floury in your mouth. I don't know. 6.5. We're gonna give it a 6.5. Okay, I'm in the middle of prepping for the next recipe, but I just realized I forgot to add a pinch of salt to this, the cookie dough, so maybe that's like the secret ingredient to make it taste a little bit better. So I'm gonna, oh no, mix it all together. Okay, this has been sitting for like no time. It's a crumbly mess. Look at this, just crumble. Yeah, rating's going down even more. From a 6.5 to like a 4, because that's crumble. No, nothing changed. 4 out of 10, it's gone down. And I just want to drink water really bad after having that. Okay, anyways, going back to the next recipe, which is the lava cake. So, we are gonna watch this real quick. It is super quick. It actually has all the ingredients on the screen, which helps me. So we have a 4th cup of flour, 4th cup of sugar. You're gonna do 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which I have not done yet. Salt, and then I already missed what you just did. Baking powder. And then milk, butter, egg, vanilla extract. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna melt my 3 tablespoons of butter. So I'm gonna use a fork. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now, guys, this is a lot of dessert, and I've already had ice cream today. I'm gonna be in a sugar coma by the end of this video. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon. I'm gonna tell you guys a story that was super embarrassing. I actually used a baking powder. I was all excited for this like beef and broccoli dish in my Instapot, and I could not wait to eat it, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. I get to the point where I have to add cornstarch, and I grabbed baking powder instead. And I put it into the whole recipe, and it turned into a complete mess. So make sure you're grabbing baking powder instead of cornstarch when you have it. You're gonna add your pinch of salt and mix that all together. Then you're adding in 3 tablespoons of milk. That's convenient. So 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping this doesn't overflow in this mug when I put it in the microwave. Really hope. Then you're gonna add your 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Ow, that's really hot. Okay. And you need an egg. Got my egg. That doesn't want to crack. There we go. We're gonna pop that in here. Like I said, I really hope this doesn't overflow when I put it into the microwave. Okay, so this is the consistency we're at. Nice and kind of like gloopy, not gloopy. Runny. We'll say runny. Then what you want to do is you want to put your chocolate chips in the center of the mug, which is going to be a challenge. She doesn't say how many chocolate chips. Whoop! We're running all over the place. She doesn't say how many. So we're just going to eyeball it. So last step is to put a little bit of water on the top of it. She doesn't say how much water. So just a tad. A little less than a tablespoon is what I used. And then you're gonna pop it. Oh my gosh, there's chocolate chips all over the floor. You're gonna pop it into the microwave for 1.5 minutes and hope it works. While that's in there, we're gonna try out these cookies, okay? So, I'm so discombobulated right now. We're gonna move these cookies over here. They're not hot anymore. So let's give these a try. They're actually came out really well. Okay, so we're gonna try these. Let's give them a little bite. Let's take a bite off of this. Oh my god. Those are delicious. It's creamy, like super moist. They taste like the cookies that you make off like the Jif bottle. Mug's done. They taste like the cookies that make off like the Jif peanut butter. If you've never made those before, those are a game changer, but these are really good. Highly recommend. I would rate these probably like a 9 out of 10, honestly. They're so good. Well, really yummy. Let's check on the bug. Wait, what? This is so cool. Okay, this worked really well. Okay, so this cake, I'm so ready. It's so hot though, that's what I'm nervous about. Unfortunately, it's not lava-y. It's just like a chocolate cake, which is a really big bummer. But we're still gonna taste test it. It's like really, really hot. That's good. It's not really sweet though. I wish it was a little bit sweeter, so maybe add more sugar. Oh my gosh, okay. I have to put this away. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I'm gonna give that one, I'll say like a 7. I think the cookies are the best thing. Then the lava cake mug. And then this cookie dough, which just turned into a complete disaster, honestly. Very dry, not a fan. So definitely try out the cookies. Try out the lava cake. I think you might like it. It's really good. It's kind of like a brownie rather than a lava cake, but that's okay. It's something that you can make when you're like, oh, I'm craving something, like I need it now. I don't have a lot of time to make like something huge. This is perfect. So, if you guys like this types of videos, I loved making this. This is so fun. I would love to make more. So if you like these types of videos, comment down below. I can do like another baking one. I can do a cooking one. They have tons of recipes on TikTok. So I am up for whatever. Let me know down below. If you make any of these, make sure to tag me on Instagram at glutenfreegirl. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button down below and putting those notifications on, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.